Welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get crypto jobs via Twitter. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So for today's video, we are going to be making use of the Twitter platform. So we head over to Play Store. That's where we can actually download the Twitter application. So we head over to Play Store, and then right here in Play Store, you just put in Twitter into the search bar, Twitter, or you can just put in X. I think the name has been changed to X, but even if you type Twitter, it will still bring it out for you. All right, so we have it right here. I already have it installed on this device, and so I wouldn't need to install it again. I'm just going to go ahead and open it on this device. So when you open Twitter, you go to the search button. All right, don't forget we are looking at actually getting jobs via Twitter. So you go to the search button, and when you get to the search button, all you have to do is to input the kind of job you are looking for in the crypto space. Type it in the search buttons. Hundreds of jobs are posted on Twitter every day, and a lot of people actually connect with founders and VCs every day on Twitter. So you're just going to type in the job title you're looking for in the crypto space in the search button, and it's gonna bring it out for you. So I'm gonna go with crypto writer. So let's just assume you are looking for a crypto writing role. So I'm just going to write hiring crypto writer. Right, that is what somebody that is looking to hire on the platform is going to, that is the keyword someone looking to hire on the platform is going to have in their post. So hiring crypto writer, then you click on the search button, and as you can see, it already started bringing out some post for me that contains that keyword. But the thing is that Twitter will first load some posts that are hold. Some you can see the first post that we got is from 14th of March. So all you have to do is to tap on the latest icon. Okay, you can see, if you look at the top right corner of the page, you see top, you see latest, you see people, you see media, you see list. So just tap on latest. So when you tap on latest, you get to see jobs that are 1 day, 2 day old, 24 hours jobs that are posted just about 6 hours ago, and all of that. And as you can see, we have job postings from Crypto Job List, we have from Crypto Job Zone, and you can apply to all of these jobs. Some of them will require that you send a DM to the people that posted them, while some of them will actually put an email that you can send your CV and portfolio to actually apply for all of these jobs. So that is basically it about using Twitter to get crypto job. You can also type in other crypto job portfolios like developers and all in the search button, and you would have the same result. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, do drop it in the comment section. I also like you to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.